Hello everyone. If your disk storage is full, you are on the right place. I will show you how can you free up your disk storage. So let me show you my C drive storage. So here you can see the Windows C drive is almost full. So I will show you how can you free up this. So for doing that, press on Window key and then go to Settings. So from here in the settings, go to System and then go to Storage. And here, if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on Yes. So here you can see it is scanning the files on my computer. So just wait till the scanning ends. So it will scan all the installed apps, temporary files, videos and other files. So just wait till the scanning ends and then I will show you what you have to do in order to clean up your Windows C drive. So as you can see, it is still scanning the files. So let me show you what you have to do. So go to temporary files and from here you can see here are some Windows Update Cleanup temporary files, thumbnail, Microsoft Defender antivirus and other some files. So after the scanning complete, you have to just remove these files. So let me show you how can you do that. So just click on this remove files and then click on continue. So now here you can see it is removing the unwanted files from my computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.